Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rafi, and in this video we're gonna see how we can save any Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel file as PDF file. To save files as PDF, we don't need to install any special software, neither need to use any add-on we used to do for Office 2007. Rather, we can export or save as PDF using built-in feature of Office Suite. First of all, we will see how we can save file as PDF using Word 2016. Let's open Word 2016 first. Word 2016. Now I will use a blank page template. For example, let's write test post using Office 2016. Text post using Office 2016. Now to save file as PDF, we will go to File option, and now we will go to Save As. Then we need to select where we want to save our file. I selected desktop. Now from Save As type, here we will select PDF. From this drop down we will select PDF and hit on the Save button. Done. You can see now our Word file is saved as PDF, and the extension is now .pdf, and it opened using Foxit reader. Foxit is a PDF reader. It means we actually saved a file as PDF instead of saving it as .docx or .doc file. Now we'll see how we can save a file as PDF using Excel 2016. First of all, open Excel 2016. We'll use a blank Excel sheet. Test using Office 2016. Now we will do exactly same thing we did to save file as PDF for Word file. First go to File option. Now go to Save As. Now here we need to select the location where we want to save our file. I selected desktop, and now from Save As type again we need to select PDF. Select PDF and now hit on the Save button. Now our Excel file is saved as PDF. Here you can see the extension is PDF. Well, we learned how to save a Word or Excel file in PDF using Office 2016. Now we'll see how we can convert an existing Word or Excel file to PDF file. This is our Word file which we want to convert into a PDF file. To convert it into a PDF file, just go to File option, then select Save As, and then select the location where you want to save the file. In my case, I will select desktop again, and from Save As type, just select PDF. Hit on the Save button, and the file is saved as PDF. It will be opened automatically. It opened, and you can see the file is now saved as PDF file. So to convert a file from Word or Excel to PDF, we need to do exactly same thing we did for saving a file as PDF from Word or Excel file. So this one is sample.pdf and this one is sample.docx. It means this sample.pdf is the converted PDF version of sample.docx file. Thanks for watching my video.